You're not weak for feeling this way. Hey, I don't know who needs to hear this today, but I'm just going to say it clearly. You're not weak for feeling this way. Not broken, not dramatic, not too much. If you've been carrying a lot lately and pretending you're fine, this video's for you. I'm not here to lecture you or fix you. I just want to talk like a real person, because I know what it feels like to be overwhelmed and still show up for life anyway. So for a second, just pause. Take a breath with me. You don't have to have everything figured out to be okay. 1. Feelings aren't a failure. Somewhere along the way, a lot of us learned this weird idea that strong people don't struggle, that confident people don't cry, that successful people always have it together. But honestly, that's not strength. That's pretending. Real strength is feeling something and still choosing to keep going. It's saying, today's hard, and being honest about it. Think about it like this. If your body hurt, you wouldn't call yourself weak for noticing the pain. You'd call it a signal. Emotions work the same way. They're information, not proof that something's wrong with you. You're just human, having a normal reaction to life, and that's completely okay. 2. The pressure to be fine. We live in a world that cares more about looking okay than actually being okay. Social media says, be productive, be happy, improve yourself. Don't slow down, and when people ask, how are you? They kind of expect one answer. Good. So we edit ourselves. We say, I'm fine when we're exhausted. We laugh when we want to cry. We compare our real life to everyone else's highlight reel. And then we feel bad for not measuring up. But listen, you don't exist to be convenient for other people, and your feelings don't need permission to be real. 3. What this actually means. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're failing at life. Most of the time, it just means you're growing. Feeling tired doesn't mean you're lazy. It probably means you've been carrying a lot. Feeling emotional doesn't mean you're unstable. It usually just means you care. The strongest people I know, they're not the ones who never have hard days. They're the ones who keep showing up, still trying, still learning, still taking the next step. You're not a problem to be fixed. You're a person who deserves understanding. 4. Small things that actually help. I'm not going to give you cliché advice like, just think positive. That never helps. Here are a few small things that actually do. Try naming what you feel. Instead of, I'm a mess, say, I'm overwhelmed. I'm lonely. I'm nervous. Putting words to it makes it feel lighter. Don't fight every emotion. Sometimes when you let yourself feel something, it passes quicker than you expect. Talk to one safe person, not 10, just one. Even saying, hey, this week's been kinda hard, is enough. Lower the expectations for today. You don't have to fix your whole life right now. Just focus on the next small step. And please, talk to yourself like someone you care about. You'd never be cruel to a friend who's tired. So don't be cruel to yourself. Healing usually isn't one big moment. It's a lot of small, gentle choices. 5. You don't have to do everything alone. And one more thing. You don't have to handle everything by yourself. Talking to someone you trust can really help. A friend, family, someone who actually listens. We're not meant to carry the whole world alone. Letting people support you isn't weakness. It's human. 6. Closing. So let me say this one more time. You're not weak for feeling this way. You're not behind in life. You're not too sensitive. And you're definitely not alone. Bad days don't mean a bad life. Hard seasons don't mean your future is broken. You're still becoming. And becoming is messy sometimes. If this video felt personal, that just means you're human. Be gentle with yourself today. Drink some water. Take a breath. Slow down a little. You're doing better than you think. Thanks for being here.